What makes the final night of Yule so significant? How do modern heathens honor these powerful days and their themes of strength, wisdom, renewal, and commitment? In this second part of our Yule series on How to Heathen, we'll explore the last 6 nights of this sacred season. From Thors Night to Odins Night, these evenings are rich with tradition and meaning, offering opportunities to deepen your connection with the gods and set intentions for the year ahead. If you're searching for simple yet impactful ways to celebrate, we've got you covered. Let's dive into some rituals, reflections, and activities that will help you bring these nights to life for modern heathens. This is How to Heathen. Thors Night celebrates the protector of Midgard and the champion of common people. Thor, the god of thunder, strength, and justice, is honored with rituals of gratitude for his guardianship and courage. Feasts, stories of Thor's adventures, and the offering of ale or mead may mark this night, emphasizing the values of bravery and steadfastness. This night inspires heathens to reflect on their own roles as protectors and advocates, encouraging them to stand firm in their convictions. Thors Night is a reminder of the importance of fighting for what is right and safeguarding the well-being of family and community. His presence brings strength and reassurance, even in the face of great challenges. Raise a toast to Thor with a favorite drink. Speak aloud something you're proud of accomplishing and something you vow to protect in the coming year, channeling Thor's strength and honor. Night of the Hunters. Skadi and Yule Night celebrates the gods of winter, hunting, and survival. Skadi, the goddess of mountains and winter, and Yule, the god of hunting and archery, embody resilience and the ability to thrive in harsh conditions. This night encourages connection with nature, often through outdoor activities or rituals that honor these deities. It's a time to reflect on resourcefulness and endurance, drawing inspiration from the gods who master the challenges of the wild. Heathens may hold blokes to thank Skadi and Yule for their guidance and blessing, asking for their support in facing life's difficulties with strength and grace. Take a walk in nature if possible, or place a small bowl of snow or ice or water if snow isn't available on your altar. Reflect on resilience and survival, thanking Skadi and Yule for their lessons in enduring challenges. Odins Night honors the Allfather, the god of wisdom, poetry, and war, and is also a time of gift-giving, reflecting the generosity associated with Odin. Many traditions link the modern figure of Santa Claus to Odin, who is said to have bestowed gifts while riding Sleipnir, his 8-legged horse, during a wild hunt. This act of giving symbolizes Odin's role as a provider of wisdom, blessings, and abundance to those who honor him. Heathens may exchange gifts on this night as a tribute to this aspect of the Allfather. Rituals on this night often involve seeking Odin's guidance, reflecting on his sacrifices for wisdom, and sharing in his gifts of knowledge and inspiration. Offering of mead or other symbolic items may be made to honor Odin's connection to the mead of poetry. His night challenges heathens to embrace the pursuit of self-improvement, generosity, and wisdom, embodying the values he represents. Give a small gift to someone you care about or donate to charity, honoring Odin's spirit of generosity. If you feel inspired, write a short poem or journey entry seeking Odin's wisdom. Soonas Night celebrates the goddess of the sun, marking the growing return of light after the solstice. It is a night of joy and warmth, filled with candles and fires to honor Soona's life-giving energy. Rituals often involve expressions of gratitude for her light and blessings for the coming year. This night serves as a reminder of renewal and vitality, inspiring heathens to embrace the promise of new beginnings. Soona's radiance symbolizes hope and the power of perseverance, urging all to carry her light within. Place a small mirror or a bright object on your altar to represent Soona. Spend time reflecting on the joys and successes of the past year. Then express gratitude for the light she brings into your life. 11th night is dedicated to the Valkyries, the chosen of the slain who serve Odin in Valhalla. It is a night of honor and remembrance for the fallen, particularly those who lived and died with bravery and honor. Offerings to the Valkyries may include mead or symbols of valor. This night invites reflection on courage, sacrifice, and legacy. It's also a time to honor ancestors and loved ones who have passed, drawing strength from their memories and the values they upheld in life. Craft a small token or charm to symbolize courage, such as a feather or a rune. Carry it with you as a reminder of the Valkyries' bravery and your own resolve to face challenges head on. The final night of Yule, Oath Night, is a powerful time of commitment and resolve, where heathens pledge solemn oaths to the gods, ancestors, and their community. These oaths are not to be taken lightly and traditionally require the inclusion of blood and earth, symbolizing the deep connection between the self, the land, and the divine. By mingling blood with soil, the oath becomes an unbreakable bond, tying the individual's word to the very fabric of existence. Rituals often include sacred toasts, fire ceremony, and the recitation of oaths in the presence of witnesses. This night emphasizes accountability, ensuring that one's promises are made with the utmost seriousness. It is a fitting conclusion to Yule, sending heathens into the new year with a renewed sense of purpose, honor, and commitment to living in alignment with the principles of heathenry. Write down an oath or a goal for the coming year and speak it aloud in a quiet, sacred space. If possible, use a small bit of soil to symbolically ground your promise and prick your finger to seal the oath with a drop of blood. These activities can be simple yet meaningful ways to connect with the spirit of each night while honoring your pet. And that wraps up the second part of Yule. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and help us continue spreading the knowledge of Norse paganism. Let us know in the comments how you're going to celebrate Yule this year, or if you've tried any of these rituals or activities. And if you want to learn about the first 6 nights and how modern heathens celebrate the start of this sacred season, check out this video right here. Thank you for watching. And remember, this is how modern heathens celebrate Yule. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful Yule. I hope you're with friends and family and loved ones, and may all your desires and wishes come true in the coming year. Until next time, stay fucking savage.